387.
Where? 37227. 37213. Put hands on your tummy. 387. Oh, 37217 and 221.
The train now approaching platform 2 is not...
Oh yeah, 340. Yes! Broad Cambridge, don't wave, just me. 126. Gian! Josh Gian! Ask Gian.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not...
Oh yeah, 30126. And 30706 off to Eastbourne. Oh, 4 car zone.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not...
Oh, 30708. Hold on, it's on its own. Redhill to Brighton. Was about 2 minutes late.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not...
3074212. Thank you. Oh, I think that's a spark no. Right, yeah, well, no, carriage. It doesn't, no, it's not.
Way back, I'll swing past. So yeah, somewhere between 7 and 8 o'clock. Cool.
30711. And I keep recording because I've got yellow light.
And he wants one of those bags for life because he broke his. So like, well,
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
got loads, you can have a couple of my bags, I don't care.
Oh.
I get out and he gave his bag back and then, yeah, I chuck it in my car and I get back. Then I won't forget it. It's a big black bag he tipped over and carried.
3070445.
Someone lost it.
Not a service.
It's just a bag that's just like a hole.
And 3771133. So we're going to Southeastern. Hello, type 3771123. Oh, what 387? There you are. 3771123 off to all. And 37319. XGN. There you go.
Yeah.
Put my drink and put my ice drink in my bag. Put on the left side.
Yeah.
9 minutes. You not wave, you not. Me and Josh will wave. You wave. 3216. Yeah, 3224. 330. Hmm? Oh, 32 like 218. 205. Charge 113. Please get my car so I'll come back home for now. He's doing now. I'm filming a stopping train. Trace of 7463. Yes. Oh, 43, sorry. Oh, 377464. Oh, there's a nice tempting going to Brighton from Bedford to Brighton. What is it? Yes, 464 over there. Okay, Josh, I'm going to stop her now. Right. And there he is. So I had to run with that Bedford to Brighton. Now. Right now. Now, 13. Now, these services Victoria. Dumpster from Fabric Cruises Victoria. This one is. Yeah, 364. This 718 to Brighton. Bedford. Quiet! It's a flyer. No. So I had a lot of space. Get yours, Sue. Thank you, thank you. Don't look at me. You don't.
Welcome aboard the Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour and Bognor Regis. The next station is Horsham. This is coach number 458.
You okay? Mum, you talk quietly. When we go past the home, when I go to coach 3. When I get past the home, when I go to coach 3. When we're past the home, when I go to coach 3.
We'll go to coach 3.
Yeah, you not.
Why am I not?
You stay in 4 when I get off.
Maybe.
Oh, it's 3, yeah. It's coach 3 up there.
You're going to wait for me then?
Yeah. You're gonna
Maybe
go.
I'll let you go to wait there.
You'll go door 1, I'll go door 2, Josh. What?
Boys, if you do it, you stay together. Ben, you stay together.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do that.
Yeah, I'll do that. Right, I had a lot of space. Do you delete some for me? Yeah, I'll upload some videos. I used to upload some Kent Southeastern videos. I used to upload Southeastern ones. When I get home, I'm gonna upload some Southeastern videos. So look at the field. Look at the field. Let's look at the field here. Oh my god. I like book to have a Bob Regis one. Do you look at the phone? Can't get the numbers. You look on your phone. Look at the phone. Can't get the numbers. That one. I can't. No, don't talk about things now. That's enough. No. At 33, give a charger. Give it about 33. Go sit down.
No, I'm going to get you the charger. You put my bag down, don't I? Give you the charger.
Because someone does not know, it's been to Horsham for ages.
Side of the pot.
Yeah, that's where I put it. Where I put it. Right, like that. Okay. You right there, Josh?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Awesome. Over it.
Oh my god. Where's your new computer? Last 7 months ago. Because all the 379s would have got it. Josh, talk about the 379 one day. They've been bringing from storage, so they've been there taking 15 with them. In the next 3 years, these GWR are getting GN 307s. Yeah, we need to get to King's Cross. Yeah, we need to get 379. XGA 379s interiors is still has standard. I can't hear you. All the GN 379 has inside it only has standard express seats. I can't hear you. GN 379 has standard express interiors. I think it has. We need to go to Coach 3.
Cool.
Yeah. Peterborough from Horsham, 70131. Yeah, 70131 to Peterborough from Horsham.
That's not classed as red, white, blue, is it? Can't wear that.
Well, they said.
We are now approaching Horsham. Change here for Sussex. If you like to change here, please make sure that all your personal belongings with you and mind the gap between the train and the platform. If you stay on the train, just be aware that this train will divide here.
Divide here. I'm going to show you something. I do that already. I'll open the door. Open the door. We're at 33. It's 30:59 now.
So we come out.
It's probably might be all duration.
Okay.
Or is that Mum getting Coach 3?
We are now approaching Horsham, where
Huh?
the train will divide.
Oh,
Coaches
sorry.
1, 2, 4 continue to Portsmouth Harbour. Coaches 5 to 8.
Oh, look at that. Oh, more time to get the sidings there.
Please ensure you are travelling
Thanks so much
in
for that,
the
the
right part of
sidings.
the train. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
There.
This is coach number 3 of 8.
Oh my god. We need to go door 1, that would be perfect. Huh? Oh, it's on the right. Hello, Josephine's on the right.
This side.
Yeah.
There.
That's a tree.
Should be fine. Yeah. Behind you.
Oi. Hey.